everyone, welcome to another episode on Marilen Styles. This is Marilen Montenegro, and today I am really quite busy because we are off to Europe and we are going to be gone for a couple of weeks, and so I have to pack for myself and my two children and sort of help my husband with his own thing. But anyways, I wanted to show you how I pack a hand carry for the airplane, good enough to fit the essentials for myself and my two children. So let me show you what I usually pack, and let's get started. So first of all, I always pack an extra set of clothes because you never know what will happen. There was this one time when my daughter was really young and she sort of threw up, and there are all these accidents that happen, and so you must always have an extra set of clothes aside from the delays that might happen or the layovers, right? So I put them in these compartments, and what I have is a top, a very light top, and these really come in handy. So they're made of light long sleeve material because you'll never know when my kids always feel cold, so I like them to be in long sleeves. So I have a top, I have a bottom, I have underwear, I have a pair of socks, and I have blinders for the children because sometimes the blinders or the eye mask that the airline gives don't fit them, right? So the kids have their own. So this is my girls, and I have another one for my boy with the same stuff inside. And of course, mom is always hands-on, so mom needs her own. And this is mine, so same, I have my own extra set of clothes because you'll never know when someone will spill something on you, right? And of course, it's a long flight, so I have my own head or neck pillow that I like to use, but I like to pack that as well. And so it's going to go in there before I actually put this hand carry on the overhead bin. I get all the essentials that I need. Next is I have a kit where all our toothbrushes are. So mine and my three kids. My husband has his own. And I have a toothpaste, and I have a small towel. I have some soap just to freshen up, and some moisturizer because the aircon or the air inside the airplane can really dry your skin. So I have that. Aside from that, okay, I like to pack a lot of other essentials, and that includes all my vitamins and medicine for the trip. I like to keep them in the hand carry just because at least I know that it's with me. I've had several instances where my luggage was lost and it wasn't returned to me until 2 days later, and so all our medications and all our vitamins were none, like we had none. So I think it's a good idea to keep them inside the hand carry with you, right? So after the medicine, I also have this travel pack natural aid, which is homeopathic medicine, and it's something that the kids can also use. Like it's a spray they have everything for tummy bugs, from flu to a sore throat, and to jet lag relief. So it's really handy. It's in this cute little pouch. And I got this in Hong Kong, but I'm sure that if you search the web, you'll find different homeopathic travel kits. And I also like to pack a Ziploc of essentials. These are the things that I might really need on the airplane, such as nose drops. Like sometimes the kids get congested in the airplane, and so I have their nose drops, which is just really a decongestant. I have antihistamine, headache medicine, and other stuff that I might really need or I might really use. So that's in a Ziploc, and it's kept here, which is quite handy. And I also have a copy of all our tickets, all our hotel reservations, our travel insurance, a copy of the passports. It's all in here. And I keep one and my husband keeps one also, just so that we're sure that there's an extra copy somewhere aside from it being in our emails and all that, right? And next, I like to pack activities for the kids to do. So these are activities that they can do on the airplane so that they're not on the screen the entire time. For my girl, and my son has a book that he can read. And so that goes in the bottom as well. My makeup kit, of course, we all want to look good or presentable after a flight. And so that goes inside. And I also have snacks. Like the kids are always, wanting to nibble on something. So these are healthy snacks. Some things like nuts, edamame, fruit cubes. So things that are really healthy but are easy to bring. They go inside the hand carry. And I also have a pack of wipes and my essential oils. I like to keep essential oils because, like I have lavender to help the kids fall asleep during the flight, and I have other stuff as well. And I always bring this with me. I have a pack of tissue, lots of tissue, because you don't want to have to be scrambling for tissue when the kids are eating or when you need it, right? There, that's it. That's how I pack my hand carry. Let me know if you think I missed anything or if there's anything else that I should add. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Marilen Styles. See you till next time. Bye!